dislike all posts on Instagram problem. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to dislike all posts on Instagram. So for that case, you have to go ahead and update your application first thing. If you haven't, then you could go to your Play Store and then you can update your application. When you're done updating your application, then you could go to your profile or the home page, and from the home page you could go to your profile. As you are on the profile section, press the try bar icon, go to your activity section. Under it, you'll be able to find likes. So if you press the likes button, then on this field you'll be able to see all of the content that you've actually liked. So if you only want to delete the post, or if you only want to dislike the post, then you could go ahead and filter it out by tapping on all, select all content type, and then you could just select the post and click on apply. Here you'll only be able to see the post. So if you wish to delete it, long press on that, and then you can start selecting all of the posts that you wish to dislike. And if you're sure about it, click on unlike, and you've successfully disliked all posts on Instagram. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.